Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing my first ever whiff box. So I'm so excited. Let's get right into it. Okay, so to start off, it's giving all this little good flyer. It's talking something about recipes that, like little recipe cards you can cut out and share with your friends. So that's kind of cute, but for the real stuff, it's all kind of jumbled around. I've never gotten this before. So it comes with all this cute, like, little packaging. I think that'd be so cute to give someone. So let's just get started. It comes with 2 scent circles. So we have Caramel Apple Craze, and then we also have Autumn Road Trip. So that's exciting. I'm sure you can't smell it through this plastic, but no, you can. It's worth a shot. And then also we have this sugar scrub in Butter Pecan. So I'm gonna open this. I hope it doesn't spill. I'm just gonna like barely open the edge just so it doesn't go everywhere. Ooh, this smells so good. This smells just like, this is like the epitome of fall. I barely have it open. It's definitely like scrubby though. I don't know if you can see the little like crystals on this packaging. I'm gonna have to work to get this open. Oh, that smells really good. I'm so excited to use that for fall. The only other, can I get this lid on? Oh crap. Uh-oh, I need to put that down. That's gonna be a disaster. The only other scrub I have is the Sunset Glow one from Bath & Body Works, which isn't necessarily like super fall. It's more of a transitional scent, so I'm so excited to have that one as well. And then we have some wax, of course, so let's take it out. Oh boy. So the first thing we have is this little sample of Walnut Raisin Muffin. I don't want to quite open this yet because I feel like once I open it, it won't be able to stay closed and it'll lose its scent. So I'm gonna have to open this up when I'm about to warm it. But this is the October scent of the month, I believe. So I'm so excited to have a sample of that before it actually releases. And then also, speaking of scents of the month, we have the Ghostly Greetings scent. So I have the flyer so I can read you. Oh crap, this isn't the right flyer. Oh dang. Okay, I think this is, I don't know what the notes of it are. It's like spicy. I had a sample of this from my consultant. It's like spicy but sweet berries at the same time. I think it's like plum, bourbon, and maybe like spiced plum and bourbon and like a dark berry or something. It smells really, really good. I really like it. So I'm so excited that this is in here. I really do like this, and it isn't something that I would typically go for, and honestly I would have never ordered it or like thought about ordering it if my consultant didn't send me a sample of it. This sample totally sold me. I'm so excited. Okay, the next one is Halloweentown. So this is in the flyer. So Halloweentown is cranberry, apple, and spiced cedar wood. So this one's new, I believe. Look at it. It's Nightmare Before Christmas. Cute. Look at the color of this wax. I like that. Okay, this is interesting. It almost smells like it's definitely apple, maybe a little bit of cranberry. I love the color of the wax. Did I already say that? This actually smells really good. I don't know cedarwood. I don't know about that. Oh, it definitely has like that fruitiness from the apple and the cranberry. I'm definitely getting more apple. I'm not sure about the cranberry. Maybe a little bit of tartness from cranberry, but on top it almost smells like apples and oats, like sweetness. On the bottom, it's a little bit more of that spiciness. Ooh, I'm really excited to warm this. I didn't think I would like this. Ooh, I'm pleasantly surprised by this, actually. And then the last little wax bar in here is pumpkin chai. So the notes for pumpkin chai is white pumpkin, a swirl of cinnamon, and a dash of chai. I'm a little bit nervous about this one because, I don't know, it seems like it might be a little spicy, so let's find out. Oh, okay, it's definitely not. I thought it would be way more spicy, and I ordered the Harvest Bundle 3-pack, so in my other haul you will see this coming. But so I was a little nervous because I saw sneak peeks and I was like, oh no, I'm gonna be getting 2 of the pumpkin chais. But no, it's not as spicy as I thought, at least on the top. So I'm definitely getting a lot of the pumpkin. I don't know if white pumpkin is maybe like a lighter version of pumpkin, not sure. Maybe a little bit of cinnamon, and I feel like the chai just gives it a little bit of a different note. Let's see the bottom. I hope the bottom's not like super spicy. Oh, it's like too melted. It's too melted, it won't come out. Oh, wait. It might be coming. Ooh. The bottom is maybe a little bit spicier, but honestly, it's not even really spiciness. It's maybe more of that chai. Yeah, it's not even really that spicy on the bottom, which is good because I don't like really spicy scents. This is nice. This is going to be a really nice October and November scent. So I'm actually really happy I got this. And then, yeah, like I said, I will test this out later. The Walnut Raisin Muffin. I will review it and it'll be in my empties. So I'll share my thoughts on it then. Because, like, I don't have the notes or anything. I'm assuming walnut, raisins, and muffin, but hard to say. And then we got 2 samples of the laundry line. We got the laundry liquid and the scent soft, both in the shimmer scent. So I am really excited to try the laundry line. I am really intrigued by the laundry products from Scentsy, so I'm so excited to try these. So as a recap, since this was all over the place, we got the 2 scent circles. We got the 3 wax bars, so pumpkin chai, Halloweentown, and ghostly greetings. We got the butter pecan scrub, which I still need to close. And then we got a wax sample in October's scent of the month, and then 2 laundry product samples, so laundry liquid and scent soft. So I am super happy. A lot of these products were honestly things I wouldn't try on my own, so I'm super excited to get them in this box. Let me know if you guys picked up the box. Did you guys get the same thing? I will admit I did look up spoilers before I ordered the box just to make sure I was like not getting into something that I wasn't super excited about. And this is exactly what the spoiler said, so I'm kind of happy I looked. I do have a tendency to look at subscription boxes, like a sneak peeks. I'm really bad at that, I know. But I am really excited about what was in the box. So let me know if you guys checked out the box below. But that is all I have for this video here today. Thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.